My name is Christy Wilson, and I'm an elite trainer at Santa Cruz Core Fitness and Rehab. I felt like there were people that, including myself, that had patterns of movement and I didn't know how to break them. And now I consider myself a pattern breaker and restorer. So it was mostly because my own disorganization and how much it felt better once I found what I was supposed to be doing. It's great to see people say, I didn't know I could do that. I had no idea that I could do that. Favorite thing of working at Core, I believe, are the people. The people that come in, especially the people that work here. Very open, welcoming. I feel like I've been here much longer than I have been. I read a lot. I read books, and I spend a lot of time with my dogs. They're with me all the time, so probably 90% of the time I have 2 little dogs with me, and we go to the beach quite a bit. Oh, beach, absolutely. Beach because I like the heat, and I also like getting in the water, and mountain water's freezing. I'm Christy, over here at Core, and I'd love to meet you. Come on down.